Hello guys, welcome back. After learning many things inside our CMS system, we were able to work on the users. So this is the comment section. This is a completely full-featured system, comment system, right? And this is our categories. This is our post section. What for that? And now we need to work on the users operation, like this one. That means user, what happened. So before working on that, we need to create a users table, right? So I think something is wrong. I click on again there, and this is a post, add post, right? Everything is clear, but we need to work on this one section, users. And before working on the users, we need to create a table. So database table. So I'm going to create a users. How many columns you want to create? 9. And click to go. Now the first column name, user ID, and user underscore name, user underscore password, right? And first name, last name, and user email, and user image, user role, and last one be so first column is the auto increment, right? And now the second column will be varchar 255 characters, 255 characters. First name also varchar 255 characters, 255, 255. Image will be text, user role varchar, and also varchar 255 characters. Now let's set this table. Now this is our users table. Inside our users table we will store the record manually, right? So username is admin, password 123, first name admin, last name OnlineITtuts, admin@onlineitttuts.com. Leave the image, user or admin, and I'm gonna click to go. And we have successfully stored the record inside our table, right? I'm gonna show you just a minute. I'm gonna click on the users, right? One admin, everything is clear, right? Now let's jump on the code editor. So the first thing you need to go on includes, not include admin, and inside the admin includes, and we need to go on, we need to use this one command which are available inside the admin panel. You need to copy that and create a new file and save the file users.php and paste the whole code, right? Now the next thing you need to change the admin includes view all users, edit users. We will create those pages on later. This time we need to change that user post, not add user, right? Now the next thing we need to create this one page, right? So copy that and create a page which available inside admin includes folder. So I need to go on includes, create a file, this one. Now you need to close the comments.php file, and you need to click view all comments which available inside admin underscore includes folder. You need to copy that and go to view all users, right? Now the next thing you need to set up this one links drop down menu, 1 and 2. Now you need to go on navigation bar to display those. I'm gonna leave that and I'll use view all users and users page. So where it is, just a minute, I'm gonna check that nav bar comments here. This is demo ID and this is a drop down menu. I'm gonna click to change that, add user, and just a minute guys, sorry for that, view all users, right? And I'm going to change that, and this file is available inside admin folder, right? Not admin. This file is available on, yes, admin. You need to redirect with another page like users.php, so we need to use dot \sign user.php, and this page I'm going to use view underscore all underscore users.php. This file is available also inside admin includes folder. As you can see, view all users.php. So save that and let's check now this time, and I'm clicking add user.ph, and it's php. So for that, click that, add new user, right? This is a comment page, the comment data, right? And this is the view all users.php, but can't see the view all. Why? Nav comments view underscore all users.php. Why? This is a, just a minute guys, I think something is wrong. Okay, I will manage that on switch statement, but this time I'm going to show you, I will manage that on here, means default page will be appeared view all users, and we will use this one code to manage this one section, add new user, the default will be appeared view all users. So I hope you understood as well how you can create a table, how you can store the data, and how you can create two files like users.php view underscore all underscore users.php page. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can display the users from database to our admin panel. So first I'm gonna open localhost phpMyAdmin, and also we need to set up this page, right? I'm gonna show you everything from scratch. So first thing, you need to open the nav.php file. Just a minute. And this file is available on this one admin panel, right? This one file. Open this one file, and we have assigned the link inside add user and also view all users, right? But we need to create this one page. So this is a view all page. Inside view all page, here was simple, I think I have made this one page. Yes, this is the page, view all users. So you need to copy the all code which available inside the view underscore all underscore commands. Copy that and go to view all users and paste on here. That's very simple, right? I hope you understood as well. Now I'm gonna close that and I open nav.php file. So first thing we need to change that to display view all users. Now the next thing we need to change also this one link. I'm gonna use users.php question mark and I'm gonna create a get variable and assign the value add user. I'm gonna change that to add user, right? So first we need to save that and let's check it now. It's working or not. I'm gonna click on add new user. Right, as you can see, this is a users.php page, this one page, and this is our get variable, and this is our add underscore user data, and this is the default have a view all users page. So I'm gonna open CMS, and inside CMS have our table name users. So first thing we need to get the data from database and display the data on here, right? So I'm gonna open my file view all users, close nav.php file, and need to go on up and we need to change headings from there. So first one is the ID. I'm gonna open this one, user ID. I'm gonna use ID, username, user email, and what the next password. I'll leave the password. First name I'm gonna use email, just use email, username, first name, last name, and email on a poll. This is the username. I'm gonna use username, first name, last name, email. Now the next one is user image, and a role, right? Last one I'm going to remove this one, and this is a date, right? Now the next thing we need to change the query. Select static from comments to users. Also change users. Also change users. Right, and leave that this time because I will. Right, so first I'm gonna display the post ID row, not post ID, user ID. This one. So user underscore ID. Second column I will be username, and what is next? First name, last name. So I'm going to use first name, last name. What is next? Email. Those are database column names. Remember that. First name, last name. Those are small. First name, last name. I think we should use underscore, yes. Last name. What is next? User email. So I'm going to use user underscore email, and I'll leave this one, and also this one, right? This is a while loop, right? User email, and now the next one is the image. So I'm gonna get the image, not get the image this time. I said that, and now I think we need to check that. So I'm gonna open my right. What is this image? So I'm gonna remove this one and refer that. Do that and refer that. First we need to check that. Where is the problem now? Post title, line number 32. Yes, there is a problem. I'm gonna cut that first and refer that. Okay, this is the image. Comment that. This is where is commented? Here is a mistake. For that, right? Email, and I'm gonna remove the image from there. For that, right? This is role, and I'm gonna paste the code this one. Copy this and paste it, and I'm gonna use user. This image user role. This one column name. We need to use this one column name. Role. So set that. Right. We need to set up that. So this is users, and I'll leave this one. I'm going to change also this one. I think I need to remove those, and I'm going to also remove this one. Is what at this time I'm going to leave that, right? And also I'm going to leave this one this time. Please do the link, save, and look at that, right? So I'm going to use paste, and I'm going to just use call my date. This is a static data. I will use that on later, right? And this is the operation. So we have successfully displayed the database record inside our admin panel, right? This is the user page, view all user, right? Now we need to work on this one page, but before working on that, I'm going to show you another important things. So I think I will teach you on later. So I hope you understood as well how you can do that. I repeat that again. First thing, you need to go on nav.php file, and we have made this one page and link, and just to change the text inside the link. Then you need to assign the same page and create a get variable opt and assign the value add user, right? Then you need to create this one page, view all pages or view all users. You just need to copy the view all comments code and paste on here and change few things inside this one page, right? So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can display the add new user page. So I'm going to show you just a minute. This is a users.php page, but I want to click on add new user. I want to redirect with another page with the name of add_user.php page. So first thing we need to create this one page. So I'm going to open admin includes, right click it, create a page, add_user.php. Inside this page you need to go on add_post.php page, copy the whole code and paste on here, save that. Now the next thing we need to work on, where I'm going to show you just a minute. I'm going to check. Yes, now we need to go on view all users, and where it is not here, users.php page, where this one page, I'm going to leave this one view all, and also add post. I'm going to remove those tabs, and I'm going to open users.php page. First I'm going to show you, I'm going to click on the add user. I can't redirect with another page, I just showing the get variable and value, right? But I want to redirect with this one page, add_user. So you need to go on user.php page. Inside this page you just change this one, user, not user, add_user. Let's first have that, and let's check it now, it's working or not. As you can see guys, right? Now the next thing you need to go on add_user page, and we need to change few things from there. So first thing I'm going to use user first name, last name, and now the next one I'm gonna change this one to use select. Name is user role, I will manage that, and select. Name is subscriber, and I'll leave the ID this time, and select user, copy, paste. Second one is admin, and on the subscriber name we need to change that admin, but I'll leave the last one because I have used this one on top, and the last one is also subscriber. Those are subscriber. It means user can't select the your, then who will default have a subscriber, right? If who will select the admin, then who will be able to see admin, right? Now the next one will be username, and now the user email. Also we need to copy this one, paste here, and user password. Now the final one I'm going to change to add user, change the button name, and also we need to change the each name, right? This is form group, but we need to change that. Also change that to input type. This one will be email, and this one will be password. Let's change the names. The last one will be password and email. I'm gonna use user email. This is the best way to get the data from form. User password, username, right? Also we need to assign the form group. I will check that on later. This time we need to assign the names. This is a first name, this is the first name, right? I think everything is clear. Refresh that. Right. Okay, the post title, and this is the drop down menu, first name, and we need to go on above, and we need to change or remove this one, also this one. Select statements for that, right? Post author, post status. Don't worry, I will change that to display my own names. First name, and this is the post status. I'm going to change the last name. Alright, and I'm going to use class form control, and this is a username, right? And this is a user email, and this is a user password. I'm gonna use password just to after that, right? But we need to assign the class form group, this class in here. I think it should be displayed. Not display. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm gonna move this one and also this one there, and we need to assign a class on here. Form class form control. So and refer that. What happened? I control Z. This is my mistake, guys. Sorry for that. What's the problem now? I'm gonna go to add post, and this is select statement. Get name form control, and then change that. This is perfect, but why I can't see the perfect? What? Perfect. Select without and this one there. Right, so remove this one. Form control, just a minute. We need to change to select to option. This is my mistake, so for that waste the time, right? It means now the next thing, we need to get the data from the form and display the data on the same page, right? So add user, and now we need to get the data from form, right? So this is the first name, last name. I'm gonna copy that. Last name, user role, what is name, the third one, user role, this one, copy that, user role, username, user email, copy and password, right? We need to change also names, first name, last name, user role, username, user email, password. I'll leave that this time because I'll display the data on the page. First name, definition sign, last name, user role, username, user email, and password. So first save that and refresh the page and click to Online IT Tuts Tutorials. Select the admin, username is OnlineITtuts, admin@onlineitttuts.com, password is 123456, hit enter. Username, first name, last name, role, and username, email, and password. It means we are able to store the record inside our database. We have successfully received the data from form and we have successfully stored the record inside our variables. So I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can store the record inside our database. So first thing, you need to go on your code editor and open add_user.php page and remove other pages or tabs. And I'm going to also use word wrap and uncomment, just cut that and paste on here, right? This is our SQL query. We need to change few things from there. Insert into users, and the first column, check that user name, follow up post section, not a post, username, so user underscore name. Next one will be user password, right, and first name, this is my mistake, last name, right, and I'm going to leave the image, user email, right, and user role, right. I'll leave this one. The first username, so I'm going to copy the username variable from there and paste here. User password, I'm going to copy the user password and paste here. And first name, copy, paste, leave this one. Last name, post image, I'll leave this one also. User email, so where is the email, copy, first name, Let me check that. First name, last name. First name, last name. So I'm going to copy the last name, paste here, and what is next? User email. Copy this one variable, paste here, and now the next one is the user role. Right? User role. Yes. Copy that, paste here. Leave this one also. Now everything is clear, and also comment that record has been saved in the database. Let's check it now, it's working or not. I'm going to use first name is admin. No, I'm going to use OnlineITtuts Tutorials, admin, OnlineITtuts. Just a minute. Admin @onlineittuts.com. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hit enter. Query file, yes. Why? Because I do not assign the image and also last one column name. So I think I will remove this term from there. Edit. How can you do that? Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. I'm gonna open CMS, and this one table name is a structure, and I'm gonna remove this one and sort the user image. Right, and I'm going to drop user image, and yes, I'm gonna remove those fields from there, and I think it should be work. Just a minute. Is OnlineITtuts admin, OnlineITtuts.com. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hit enter. Okay, we need to check the query, guys. Insert into users. Yes, this is my table name, username, user password, first name, last name, user email, user role. First name, username, password, first name, last name, username. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 3 4 6. Everything is clear, but why I can't see the record has been saved in the database. Just a minute, I'll check that. Where is the problem now? Username, first name, last name, username. I think it should be there. Okay, I check the query. Just a minute. I go to ahead _post.php page, and I go to and insert into post. This is the value. Right, so I think I need to assign here space problem. I think here's a problem, guys. I need to remove the you will be able to see record will be saved. Right, I'm going to show you just a minute. Online IT Tuts Tutorials admin online IT Tuts 1 2 3 4 5 6 hit enter. Username, user, password, first name, username, user role. Here is another mistake. Okay, I'm gonna click to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Record has been saved in the database. Let's check it now. Right now, as you can see, and now I'm gonna open WordPress. Right, as you can see, so we have successfully stored the record inside our database. In the next video, I'm going to teach you another thing. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete the record and how you can assign, or you can say that change the role. So first thing, you need to open your code editor and open the file view_all_users.php page. This file is available inside admin_include folder. So first thing, you need to go on above, and I'm gonna first change, I'm gonna delete the dead column, right? Then we need to assign the link, or you can say that page. So I'm gonna assign the page users.php page. This one page, I'm gonna show you this one page, right? And also we need to assign the get variable. So I'm gonna assign the get variable name del, and use basic syntax of PHP, use equal statement, $row, and our database users table column name, user ID. This ID will assign inside our del variable. Then we will use this del variable to perform the operation like delete the record. So I'm going to copy that and I'll leave that and use this one code and say this code we just changed a few things. Do you want to change that? You can do that. In my case, I changed them. So copy that and paste on here, and we need to change the table name like users, where user ID equal to user_delete_ID variable. I'm going to change that. SQL user del, copy and paste on here, and I'm going to also change that user del copy paste. Save. I think everything is perfect. Refresh the page. Now I also change that to redirect the users.php page, and I'm gonna delete the last one record. The record has been deleted now. Now the next thing, I'm gonna assign, or you can say that change the role. So I go to my code editor. First I'm gonna delete this one, and also I'm gonna leave this one and use delete td admin td subscriber, right? So I go to below and we need to copy this one, complete, paste 2 times, right? Now the first thing, we need to change the get variable. So I'm going to use admin, the first one. Second one will be subscriber, right? This is get variable. I use same thing to assign the IDs inside our get variables. Now the next thing, I'm going to change the button name. I like button BTN success. And also I'm going to change font of some icon like user. Now the next one, I'm going to change the color like trendy, and font of some icon name will be users. After that, perfect, right? So I want to perform the operation, like I want to click on the admin button, then I want to change or update the role. So go to code editor, and now we need to work on the first one, admin. So I'm going to copy the admin get variable, and first we need to paste on here, and I'm going to use admin ID. You can change the variable name, you can do that, right? And I'm going to paste on here. We need to change the query users, set user underscore role, those are database column names. This one, user underscore role equal to admin, right? Then user underscore ID, this one will match with this one ID, then that change the role, right? And now what users role equal to admin where, right? And I'm going to change that SQL or users, not SQL, admin copy, and I'm going to paste on here, and SQL result. Do you want to leave that? You can do that, but in my case I'm going to change that to display the readable names. So users, right? This is our complete admin section, right? Now let's work on the next one. So I'm going to copy the next subscriber and go to below and paste on here, right? And I'm going to change that to sub ID, update users, set user underscore role equal to subscriber, right? While user underscore ID equal to this one get variable, right? So, and we need to change the subscriber, copy, paste, close, and also we need to change that SQL set, right? Copy, paste, change the location. I think it should be work. Refer that. So this is a subscriber. I want to change the role, so I'm going to click on that. As you can see, I want to change this one role, subscriber, admin, perfect. I want to use a second one, subscriber. So I hope you understood as well how you can perform the operation like delete the record and change the role. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In previous lecture we have discussed all about how you can perform the operation like delete the record and assign, or you can say that change the role. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can edit, or you can say that update the record. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first thing, this is a users.php page, right? I'm going to open the view underscore all underscore users.php page, the file available inside admin underscore includes folder. So first thing you need to after this delete, I'm gonna paste the same code, right? And first thing you need to change the parameter. I'm gonna change the parameter to OPT. First I'm gonna show you what is OPT. OPT have a, I'm gonna show you just a minute. Open the users.php file. Inside this file have a OPT is a get variable that will help you to assign the page, I mean redirect the page. Inside this page, users.php page have a switch statement. As you can see, the case is the add user, then we will redirect with this page. The case is the edit. Okay, this is a post, I need to change it. The case is the edit user, then we will redirect with this one page. So we need to create a this one page, but before creating a this one page, we need to assign the get variable like same this one OPT and use equal sign and write the page name, right? Then I'm gonna also assign this is a get variable, sorry, and also we need to assign the same get variable. This get variable will assign this one ID, and this is a page name, this one page name, right? So we will redirect with this page. So we need to create a this one page, right? So I'm gonna save that and I go to where users, not users, add users. I'm gonna open admin underscore include and I'm gonna open add users, copy the complete code, create a file inside admin underscore include folder, edit user.php page and paste the code, save the file, right? So very simple process. I'm gonna leave that, and this is our edit underscore user.php page. Inside this page have a same form that have a add user page like this one same page, right? So I'm gonna check that edit user, this is the same page as you can see, right? The edit user, right? Now the next thing I'm gonna use, I'm gonna remove this one add user page, and we'll also remove this one page, right? Open the two tabs, view all users.php, edit user.php page. Inside this page I have assigned the get variable like OPT, so we need to target that, copy that, and I'm gonna use if set underscore get, just a minute, this one variable, then comment the if body, and I'm gonna not this one, I need to use edit user, right? This is a get variable echo, and we need to also check this one on, save that, and we need to change the font away some icon. First I'm gonna change that to success, trash to, I'm gonna use pencil, so that those are basically what is, those are font away some icons, right? View all pages, right? Admin, but we need to go on a bow, and after this one I'm gonna copy that and paste edit, so for that, right? Add in, I will manage that on later. So I'm gonna click on this one. I have received the URL, this is my get variable. This is the page name, and this is also get variable, have a value 1, right? As you can see, edit underscore user, and this is the value, and we have received the value inside our this page, right? So I go back, I'm gonna select the last one, right? As you can see. Now the next thing, we need to change the button name and also values names inside our form. So I go to edit underscore user page, and I will also remove this one, and I'm going to use view toggle wardrobe. I go to below, and first name, those are values, names. First I go to below, and I'm going to change that add to update user, right? And now the next thing we need to do is go to above, and I'm going to use if $get edit edit user. You can say that this one page or this one, right? Copy that and paste here. Is active, then I'm gonna use user ID and assign the get variable value. Now the next thing, you need to write the query, SQL user query. Query is select static from users where user underscore ID equal to user ID variable, right? This one. Then I'm going to use SQL user MySQL I query, pass to parameter connection, and SQL user query variable, right? Now the next thing, you need to write the while loop. I'm going to use while bracket, and we need to write row equal to MySQL I fetch associate, pass the variable SQL user update. Then we will get the data from database and assign the data inside our variable. So I'm going to copy this one, I'm going to cut that and paste on here, and we just need to change that to row. This one variable, right? Row what? Right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? And also what? I also send the I'm gonna also get the ID from and then also get the ID from database user DB ID, right? I'm gonna change the variable name a bit different. User ID, those are database column names. User ID, first name, last name, user role, username, user email, user password. User ID, username, user password, first name, last name, user email, and user. Oh, everything is clear, I think. Okay, once we receive the data from database and assign the data inside our variables, then I'm going to check that it's working or not. So I'm going to use echo. No, I don't waste the time because I know it's working perfect. Otherwise we will update that. So first thing, you need to copy the first one variable, and I'll leave this one this time because I don't need that. Yes, I will update that. I'll leave that. I'll leave this one. Basically I will write the query to update the record, right? This time I'll leave that. So this is our form, this is the first name, so we need to assign the value. I'm going to use value echo and first name variable, right? Say copy this one code, go to second one, paste here, change the variable last name, and this is the subscriber, so this time I'll leave that, and I will use this one variable. I input text field, the user name, right? And this one will be email, so I'll use email, right? And last one will be password, right? So I'm going to copy that and paste on here, right? I think everything is perfect, but we need to work on this one, right? So first I'm gonna just a minute, I remove this one and use basic syntax of PHP and assign the value. Not value, I just use echo user role, and also we need to change that to value, right? And this is our, and I'm going to cut that and use if statement. Syntax of PHP, if set, and not if set, user role variable equal to admin, and comment the if body, otherwise comment the else body, and the if body I'm gonna use echo quotation, paste in here, change that, and we need to just use subscriber, right? And the else statement, I'm going to copy that, paste here, and change that admin, right? But we need to also change the value, so I think it should be work. So let's check it now, it's working or not. Yes, first name, last name doesn't work. Perfect, right? So I need to I'm gonna copy the first one, right? I'm going to click on admin. This is the last name, so let's check now. Last name, and double quotation, right? And this is a subscriber, admin, and this will be also double quotation, and this will be also double quotation, where here double quotation, right? So let's check it now this time, right, as you can see. So I go to again UR users and select the subscriber, right? As you can see, we have received the subscriber John Smith, subscriber John at gmail.com. We have successfully received the data from the form. I'm gonna click on the edit, the first one. As you can see, we have successfully received the data from input text fields, right? So we will able to update the user, right? So I think this video is too long. In the next video I'm going to teach you how you can update the record. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can update the record. In previous lecture we have successfully received the data from the table and assigned the data inside our form. I'm going to show you. I'm going to click on that. We have successfully received the data from the table and we have successfully assigned the data inside our form, right, as you can see. Now the next thing is very important to update the record. I'm going to click on update user, then I want to redirect with users.php page, and also I want to update the record. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Go to edit_user.php page and we need to get the data from this form. So I go to below and I will write the code on here. Very simple, very simple. Right, I'm going to use why I skip many times is set _post. I also send another script bracket, parentheses script bracket. Inside that we need to copy that and paste here, and I just use equal statement to check it's working fine, right? Save that and for the page I'm going to click on that. I can't see. Yes, it's working, as you can see, right? So we need to update the record, right? So I'm going to save that. I go to a go and I'm going to copy all of the thing, also variable, and paste on here. Leave this one, and those are basically names which are available inside our form input text field. As you can see, I assign the same names, right? As you can see, we just use same names, and also just change row to $post, right? That's very simple. Paste. Once you receive the data from the form, those are form's names, form input names, and we have assigned the names, data inside our variables, right? Then we will use query to update the record. Update query, update users set first name underscore name. This is the database column name. I'm going to show you those names: username, user, password, first name, last name, email, and use. Those names are same, so I use same name equal to this one variable, comma, last name equal to this one variable, comma, user underscore role. I do not write the each database column name sequence. I write randomly because I have received the data from the form this way. You can use any way to get the data from the form and assign the data into the variables. Then you will use query any way, randomly or strength, right? So I'm gonna copy that and paste here, comma, and now username. I already explained you those are database column names, right? I remember them. Now the next one will be user email equal to this one variable, comma, user underscore password equal to this one variable, right, where user underscore id equal to, I need to go on above and we need to use this one variable to update the record. That's very simple. Paste here, write query update user query MySQL I query pass to parameter connection and update query variable. If everything is clear, then I want to use update user query variable and redirect with the page users.php, right? You can also use else and use echo something is wrong, right? If have any mistake inside our query, then we will able to see this one message. I think it should be work fine. So first I'm gonna change that to subscriber and click to update now. As you can see, guys, I want to update another things. Admin last name, what, subscriber, not subscriber, but I'm gonna use author, right? Admin, author, admin, username admin, author at gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6. Update now. As you can see, guys, admin author, first name admin, last name admin, author, and everything is clear. As you can see, let's check it now in the database. As you can see, guys, right, but why I seen the problems right now, right, 4 and 5, I seen the what user ID, username, user password is email, and what is wrong with the what ad user. I think have a problem inside our ad user, right? Because so I need to solve this one problem also. Go on add user password, so I guess WordPress, yes, not yes, username, user password, yes, first name, last name, user email, all values, everything is clear on here. To insert the record, let's add another user to check that. I'm gonna use Android developer subscriber Android home password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Update now, add now, sorry, it's been saved. Okay, perfect, as you can see, and this is the password, first name, last name, and this is the email, and this, yes, I have a problem on here because I tried to update the record, so we have faced the problem right now, this one and this one, right, this one and this one. So I'm gonna delete that, after that, perfect, right? So let's work on to admin, right, to subscriber, right, and edit that to subscriber to admin, and do dev password will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right, enter, train developer, and everything is perfect. Let's check it now in the database. Perfect. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, first name, last name, email, everything is clear. So we have successfully completed the profile, user profile section. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.